And I'm back. You're watching. Hold up, I think my dog needs to be let out. Patticus here. I'm gonna go grill me some Omaha steak burgers. We're in the middle of a bomb cyclone. At least I think. I don't know. Everything seems kind of normal. So, got the grill set up. Right temp here. She's cooking. Get her a little more heat. Supposed to get her up to 350. So, there you go. Heading back. Alright. I mean, it's pretty windy out. It's not bad. Bird's still eating the seeds I put out for him. Alright. Let's get this stuff on. Let's get some grilling. Omaha steaks. The burgers. Alright. Anybody see that? 8 to 10 minutes per side. Let's go. There you go. It's not the summertime grilling technique. There you go. Heading back. It's a process that should be adhered to. Let's check. Oh, look at those. They gotta be close. We'll do a little bit of just a little longer on this. That's what I think. And we'll be ready to eat. Seal her up. Storm's coming in pretty good. Pretty good. Not a lot of snow accumulation yet, but it's gonna freeze up pretty good. Alright. Alright. Going to get some burger goodness. Holy cow. Last check wind was at 40 miles per hour. That's a rough guesstimate. I'm gonna call it done. That's what I'm gonna call it. These, get over here. Looks amazing. Shut off the flame. All right. Let's clear that out. Don't need any snow. Snow in there. Grillin' in the North Country. Lost a knob. I'll fix it. It's cold out. Yeah, I've got to adapt. Man, these smell good. These smell so good. I'd like to give a little shout out to Steve and Jennifer. Thank you for these goodies. Now we're gonna go eat them. Thanks for watching. Well, day 5 of the blizzard. Well, I think technically the blizzard's over. Gonna head out and check the grill. A little bit of red stuff on that. It's our generator. Here's the path to the wood stove. Cleared the grill out because today we got some Omaha steaks and dogs to grill up. Had to uncover the grill. Let's go check her out. She got up the temp a little better. All right, hopefully nothing looks bad. Oh, it's cooking nicely. Cooking nicely. Ooh. Cover it up. Let's scoop them a little bit hot on the dogs. You know, call that flavor. I don't know if you can see. There you go. All right. Let that go for a few more minutes and see how it goes. But yeah, we got, I'm thinking around 5 feet of snow at least. There you go. Welcome back to Grillin' with Patticus. Did I mention it was day 5 of the blizzard, even though it's over? Oh, look at that. All right, I don't like getting the dog split, but it happened. Let's try the trickiness here. Get it in. Get in there. I think those are good. A little bit of grill stuff. Probably a little longer on that. No, it's probably a little high on one side on the heat. Hey, at least if it rolls in the snow, you're okay. Unless it's yellow. Did you say yellow or yellow? You know? I'm gonna go a little longer on the hamburgers and probably can call. I don't know, no one's here to, I'm no grill master. I'll live and learn. Gotta work at it. You can't just fire a grill up and be like, I'm grilling, I know how to grill. It is an art form, but there you go. I think those are probably pretty much done. A little longer. There you have it. Using the charbroil there. All right. Catch you later.